we're gonna get loaded all by ourselves at this little quarry that we're at quite a bit. They got a nice conveyor belt that we can drive underneath and pick up some concrete rock. So, hey look, there's my buddy Austin. He's doing the same thing. Yeah, I'll show you how we do it. That's the end of a long week. It's time to get home, spend some time with the family. So thanks for coming along again, and appreciate each one of you supporting the channel, and I hope you like what you see. If this is the kind of content you're into, you know what to do. You don't need me to beg you for it. I don't see the comments here on YouTube, but if you want to interact with me, I'll be over at Instagram. It's @flannel_Phillip. Peace and grease, everybody.